Hello, today we will guide you through how to copy a survey in Qualtrics. If you need to duplicate an existing survey so you can reuse its structure, questions, or settings without changing the original, Qualtrics makes that process straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll start from the survey editing screen and then move into your projects area to create a copy of the survey. Begin by opening the survey in Qualtrics so you are on the Edit Survey page. This is the screen where you can view and modify the contents of your survey. Starting here is helpful because it confirms you're working with the correct project before making a duplicate. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the three-line menu icon. This opens the main navigation panel in Qualtrics. If you're not sure where to go from the editor, this menu is the quickest way to return to the broader project area. From the menu, click Projects. This will take you to the section where all of your Qualtrics projects are stored. Once you're there, locate the survey project you want to copy. On that project card or row, click the three dots to open the Options menu. This menu contains additional actions for the selected project, including the option to duplicate it. Make sure you've opened the menu for the correct survey, especially if you have several projects with similar names. When the menu appears, click Copy Project. This tells Qualtrics you want to create a separate duplicate rather than editing or moving the original project. You'll then be asked where to copy the project to. Select the destination shown in the Copy window. This step determines where the duplicated survey will be saved, so it's worth taking a second to confirm the location before continuing. After that, enter a project name for the copied survey. Choose a clear name that helps you identify it later, especially if you plan to make edits or use it for a different audience, test, or version. A descriptive title can make project management much easier over time. Next, select the folder where you want the copied project to be stored. If your Qualtrics account uses folders to organize work, placing the copy in the right folder now can save you time later and keep your workspace tidy. Once everything looks correct, click Copy Project to finish. Qualtrics will then create the duplicate survey for you. After the copy is complete, you can open the new project and begin making changes without affecting the original survey. And that's it. You've successfully copied a survey in Qualtrics.